Wineman Hotel building was built in 1932. It was considered at that time a contributing hospitality development because the mission was here and they were trying to elevate tourism. And it was derelict for probably close to 25, almost 30 years. And every time I passed it, I always wondered, when's this bad boy going to get fixed? We were approached by Optimum Seismic in 2010 after we had finished a couple other buildings with them in the interest to look at a feasibility study to see if this could be a credible, adaptive reuse building. We were successful in acquiring the entitlements by late 2010. We were successful in obtaining a grant program, an affordable housing grant program, and broke ground and commenced construction. The building was found to have a number of idiosyncrasies, if not uniqueness, in both its character and the need to adaptively reconstruct it to be both seismically correct and everything all current legal buildings would have to have. So it takes an old building and we're going to make it as good as a new building in terms of occupancy and safety. And it was a very successful project. This 1932 building was restored to its original, exact character, use of materials, colors, even the storefronts are exactly the way they were. Behind me, what you're looking at, that existing sign was actually found in an old farm field next to the airport, and we completely restored it and reconstructed it in a compliant way. It's the only legal, flashing, allowable neon light fixture in the entire city of San Luis Obispo. We're giving that community-based contribution of a resurrection of history, but we're also providing a building that can be continued and sustained in another 50, 60 years of use. So it's win-win. Optimum Seismic, that's their keystone. That's their ability to step in. That's their expertise. I admire them immensely. I couldn't have done it without them.